Hello YouTube. All right, we're back on the Firebird today. Today's a sad video. I'm gonna winterize the Firebird. Gonna put it away for the winter. Just gonna go through my little steps that I do when I'm putting the car away for the winter, and might help anybody out that's putting away a classic car for the winter. Just a couple of basic things. Gonna put some STA-BIL in, put a battery tender on, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Here we go. Okay, so I'm at the gas station. I think it's important that when you put a car away for the winter that you fill the gas tank right up to the very tip top. It's supposed to reduce the amount of available space in the fuel system, especially in the gas tank itself, for condensation to occur. Like, the idea for me is I want to have it full right to the top, and then I drive home like 2 blocks away from the gas station and have it completely full. The other thing is I want to put some STA-BIL in it. Not a huge believer. I've done STA-BIL before. I've not done STA-BIL before. This year, I mean, I'm hoping this is already late November or mid-November, and I'm hoping have the car back out probably like 4 or 5 months, early spring, like late March, early April maybe. Hopefully, if the weather is good, I'll have the car out, but you never know. Maybe it won't be all the way till May. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the STA-BIL in. It's got a nice chart on the back of it. The Pontiac gas tank is 18 gallons, and 1 ounce of STA-BIL treats 2.5 gallons. So I need about 7 ounces. So all you do with this stuff is you squeeze it and it fills it up from the left side to the right side. And there's a little chart on the small side where it shows you what 1 ounce mark is. So I just need to do that like 7 times, pour it in the gas tank, then to fill the gas tank up to the top and head on home. I like to put the STA-BIL in before I put the gas in, so then as it's sitting in the gas tank and pumping the gas in, it's gonna actually stir it up and mix it all up so it's thoroughly mixed throughout the gas. Then when I drive it home a couple blocks, hopefully it goes through the whole rest of the fuel system, all the way up through the carburetor, and everything's good for the winter. Okay, next thing is dryer sheets. So dryer sheets are supposed to keep mice away. I like to put some in the trunk, put some in the inside of the car, then put some in the engine compartment. It's supposed to drive mice crazy. I also like to set up mouse traps in the garage. I'm not gonna bother to do it this year, but some years I put the car up on these casters. See, they're curved, and I like to put all 4 wheels on the casters. Then I can slide it over to the wall real nice and tight and put it as far back as I need to so I can put the snowblower in front of it. Also, the curve of it, I think, would help prevent getting flat spots on the tires. Personally, I've never experienced flat spots on tires. I don't know if that's an old thing or what. I keep my tires properly inflated, and I'll come out and I'll move the car like a foot. I'll roll it forward after like a month or 2 in the wintertime, and then I'll roll it back like another foot at one point, but I've never really experienced flat spots on the tires. I'm only parking it for hopefully a maximum of like 5 months, wait for the snow to be done, and then start driving the car again. But anyway, the casters are really cool. There's been years when I parked a daily driver in the garage next to the Firebird, and I didn't want anybody swinging doors or hitting it or anything like that. So that allows me with the casters to push it all the way up against the garage wall and all the way to the back and get it out of the way and put a snowblower in front of it. I'm not bothering this year, but I just figured I'd show you that step. Like I said, I like to set mouse traps. Got some poison and got some traps. Haven't set it yet, but it's always a good preventative idea. Got dryer sheets spread around. Got the car backed into the garage. Last things to do, gonna put the cover on, put the battery tender on it. Okay, I got my battery tender hooked up. This one is a NOCO Genius 5. I'm a fan of the Genius 5. I've got I think 3 or 4 different battery tenders actually, but I like this particular one because it's got different settings for different types of batteries, and then it also has a repair function. So just hook this thing up, leave it plugged in for the winter, and I'll be out here once in a while during the winter, and every time I'm out here, I'll just glance at it, make sure it's all charged up and doing well. Okay, I got the stabilizer in it, got everything tucked into the garage, got the got the dryer sheets in it, got the battery tender on. Last thing, I'm gonna throw on a cover. This is an Eastwood cover. I find that it fits really, really well. It's nice and stretchy, keeps the car clean, and keeps the dust off it over the course of the winter. So go ahead and put that on. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, there it is with the Eastwood cover on it. It's all safe and sound. It'll keep the dust off, keep it protected from anybody bumping into it or moving bikes around or whatever. Cool thing with the Eastwood covers, it's got a front badge on it so you know where it goes. Battery tender, lights are already showing green. So keep an eye on that over the winter. Truthfully, last thing to do before the winter, give her a nice hug, give her a little kiss. Say goodnight, sweetie. I'll see you in the springtime. All right, folks. As always, thanks for watching the content. Hope you like it. Hope you learned something. As always, if you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot. Have a great winter. See you in the spring for more Firebird content. Bye.